Hello, we're Millstream Garage, a dealership located in Gomshall, Surrey, with a passion for both classic and quality used vehicles. We have our BMW X3 20D M Sport finished in Alpine White. Being the M Sport, you get all of these lovely, aggressive bodywork designs. This specific example benefits from having the M Sport deletion, so you get that soft suspension while maintaining the aggressive look. It rides on these beautiful 21-inch BMW Individual diamond cut alloy wheels. You have rear privacy glass, an electric tailgate, as well as the extended storage. You get parking sensors front and rear, as well as a reverse camera, which provides loads of great extra convenience. And taking a look in the front, there's lovely Oyster leather with wooden trims, digital dash, leather multifunction steering wheel, infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth and more, dual zone climate control. And as part of the comfort pack, you get these lovely full leather heated seats with electric memory function. If you have any questions, please give us a call.